What's the meaning of amorality? Amorality. 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 Amorality.
Amorality refers to a lack of moral principles or values, or the absence of any sense of right and wrong. It is different from immorality, which implies a conscious decision to do something that goes against accepted moral standards. Amoral behavior is typically based on self-interest or personal gain rather than ethical considerations. People who exhibit amoral behavior may not see their actions as having a moral dimension, and may show little concern for the consequences of their actions on others or society as a whole. Ultimately, amorality can lead to a breakdown of social norms and a disregard for the well-being of others.